Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, as I promised, I'm gonna have my wife bake you guys a keto cake so you can see how soft and how big it becomes. We're gonna do the whole thing, including the strawberries and the topping. So let me show you guys what the ingredients are gonna be first. So she already got started with the eggs, but we're gonna separate 8 eggs into the yolks and the whites. And she's gonna use some olive oil, some vanilla extract, some swerve, baking powder, salt, and almond flour. So we're gonna put all that together, and also we're gonna add some cream of tartar to the egg whites to make it nice and puffy. So a few things before you get started. Make sure that when you separate the eggs, there's no yolks in the whites, because that's gonna keep it from getting harder. Also, the bowls that you use to mix the yolks and then later the whites, make sure they're completely dry before you add the whites, because if any kind of moisture is going to make it a lot softer. What you're trying to do when you mix it is try to get as much air inside the egg whites and also the yolks. And the last note, and probably the most important, is make sure that you don't oil the pan that you bake the cake in, because you want as much friction from the pan to the batter so that it doesn't slip from the side. finally, this is gonna be our finished keto cake video. And that's how it looks like. Big ass cake. Alright, so we're gonna do a taste test with everybody here. Okay, so everybody go ahead and take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. So I ate this before, but this is your guys' first time, yeah?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's good.
It's really good. It tastes like angel cake.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, mom, this one. You guys like it?
Love it.
Good? Tastes like regular cake. There's no difference. Which is good. So that's it. Keto cake. I don't know what the numbers are, but it's mostly eggs, almond flour, and swerve, which is by itself low carb. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you have any questions, comments on the section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Everybody say bye.
Bye.